Hi, everybody. Matt Mariglia here with another 60-second tech tip. Another addition to the Google arsenal here called draft restoring or draft saving in Google Forms. So here is a sample form that I used to use with my eighth graders, and you can see I have some choices already filled out, but I haven't finished the form. So let's say that I'm a student and something were to happen, maybe a fire drill or my Chromebook loses its power, or I accidentally X out of the tab. If I hit Control Shift and T to bring back that tab, or I go up into my history and I find the website that I was on, because all Google Docs are websites, notice what's there. The answers that are already put in, and then I can just continue on. So this is a neat little addition to Google, and it can save you a lot of trouble when kids accidentally forget to hit submit or get rid of the tab that they're working on. This is draft restoring and draft saving in Google Forms. I'm Matt Mariglia. Enjoy your Thanksgiving.